Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create or follow watch lists on the Coinmarketcap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First you have to open the Coinmarketcap application. Then you will see at the top of the screen the watch list menu. If you tap on the watch list, it will open up your current watch lists, your followings, and the popular watch lists. So first, if you want to create a watch list, you can tap on it. You can name your watch list. Just ask me watch list. You can write a description, anything. You can set it to public, so your watch list can have followers if you set it to public. And then your watch list is ready. Then you can add coins to your watch list. As you can see, you can choose any coins in the world. All of them are here. You can search for them if you don't find them on the list. Then select, and here you will see your watch list. You can set this to your favorite cryptos, maybe the cryptos that you actually hold. And then it can be very useful to check your cryptos and see all the relevant information on these cryptos. You can check the 7-day growth rate, 24-hour, 1 hour, or any. You can set to full list. You can rank them. It's pretty useful, and there are a lot of options that you can use to see your cryptos and to follow your portfolio. So this is how you can create a watch list. Now let's see how can you follow other watch lists. If you want to follow other watch lists, you can go to popular watch lists, and here you will see a lot of watch lists. These watch lists have the most followers. As you can see, the top one is Crypto Moonshots. This watch list contains a lot of cryptocurrencies that have a very big growing potential. So these guys are looking to shoot for the moon. And here there are a lot of different kinds: Wall Street Bets, Binance, IEO, Dogecoin, Bitcoin. So yeah, this watch list contains only one token, which is Dogecoin. And if you choose from this list, you can just tap on it and you will follow the watch list. And when you go back to your watch lists, it will show up here, and you can check your favorite watch lists and your own watch list. Here are the followings, populars, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can create, follow, or check out popular watch lists on Coinmarketcap application. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone 13, and see you in the next one.